Well, welcome to Lewandowski's family farm. We had a little plow days this year with a little tractor show for everyone to come out and enjoy and have fun. Our farm's been in the Lewandowski name, as far as I know, for 125 years. So our great grandpa bought it, Grandpa Mike, back in the early 1900s. We're pretty proud of it. We try and keep it up and work our tails off to keep everything flowing and to keep the farm. It's never easy, but you know, you sit in the office some days and you think, what's the next move and how can I make this work? And yeah, everyone's out here enjoying it. So I think we got 37 tractors, just about all of them restored in this lineup, between the internationals and the cases. The internationals are here account of Dad, and the cases are here account of Mom's side, because her family was cased. And weather permitting, we might have it again next year. No guarantees on the weather, so it just worked out perfect this year.
It's waking up in the pitch black, coffee in the cup out the door before the dawn cracks. A quick prayer in the barn, Lord, we sure could use.
On the H that's out in the front row, when he got it brand new in 1947, and his dad is standing in front of it, Grandpa Joe. I do this in my free time, just buy a little art. And there we got a bunch of toy pedal tractors. 1947, the first tractor that come to this farm. Dad bought it from Farm Out. My dad's favorite tractor, 706. He used this thing for everything. This is my favorite tractor, and the whole family knows that this is the one I want to be buried in.
5488 International. It's actually a prototype. Serial number 501.
First one in the world built. We're going to restore it for Red Power Roundup here on South Dakota next year.
I'm Ethan Olson. This is a 1942 Case SC. His nickname is Frank the Tank, but it's just too long, so we just call him Frank. It's one of the last 65 made before they switched over to military equipment, so you got the navy blue paint.
And this one here is my favorite case, all of them. 1070, because that's what my uncle bought new, was a 1070 case. He says, you gotta buy a John Deere. I says, well, if I find an odd one, I'll buy one.
Waking up in the pitch black, coffee in the cup out the door before the dawn cracks. A quick prayer in the barn, Lord, we sure could use some rain. And climb on up in the tractor, take 100 laps, wake the kids up after. Get a quick kiss from your baby, then it's time to start the day. It's giving all you got to give and going 10 steps farther. It's a dusty cab and coveralls that you put on like armor. The days are long, the work is hard, your calloused hands are harder. The only thing tougher than a farm is the farmer. It's dinner time at sunset, knowing that a bunch of folks that you ain't.
Thanks for showing up the Plow Day 2025.